Welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the World Embassy FS. Guys, on today's episode we're going to be talking about the Usdcad. And guys, once again, happy new year, and I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays and everything, blah 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 blah. Okay guys, let's go back to business. And as you can see, this is the monthly time frame of the Usdcad. So guys, just as we've when we stopped, the place we stopped in the analysis last year, it's still the same way. We start from the monthly time frame down to the lower time frame. So guys, as you can see, from this monthly time frame point of view, this level has been a key level in this monthly time frame structure. You can see every time the market gets to this level, you get to the downside, except from this one who broke above and also came below it. And you see, when it came below, there was a retest on it before it went above. Remember, we bought all this to the upside, and the market last year also came below the level, which I told you guys that if the market should come below this level, there's every tendency we should be expecting the market to get to this level too before we see any further movement. Either it continues going down or continue going up. Anyway you want to go, but these are to determine this level. You have to determine which direction we are going to go to. So having this in mind, that means we are saying that okay, we are going to be buying the market for this month. Yeah, we're going to be buying the market for this month. So we're going to move down to the weekly time frame. We're going to move down to the weekly time frame. Let's move down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. So guys, as you can see, from the weekly time frame perspective, right, we can currently see that the market, after the market broke below this level, which acted as a key level in time past, you can see market rejected 3 times, 1, 2, 3 before it bought to the upside, and market now came to that level, rejected upward and break below it, which we were expecting market to retest on that same level before we see much more further push to the downside. But the market is currently above that level again. So guys, why is the market above the level? Remember, I told you something in the monthly time frame, that whenever the market is below this level, we see the market, when the market break above this level and come below it, we do see the market come to a test. Oh sorry, that's the fib. We do see the market come to a test on that level before we see any further. We test on the level before we see any further movement, either to the downside or continuation to the upside. So, but having that in mind, I'm going to take a fib on this weekly time frame. I'm going to take a fib. Taking this fib, guys, remember this analysis I do come on this YouTube channel to share with you guys is for you guys to understand or get updated on the market structure and the movement. Your entry strategy is still much more valid, is 100% valid. I'm not telling you that your entry strategy is not good, it's good, but this analysis is to help you understand the direction of the market, so you can know the direction you're going to be trading the market to. So you use your entry strategy to enter the market, right? But this one here is telling you the direction of the market. So guys, as you can see, you can currently see that the market is currently lying, the 0.50 fib retracement currently lying exactly on that level that we're discussing about. You know, I love this pair. It's very straightforward to analyze though. I don't know. So you can see it's currently lying exactly on this level, which we are expecting at any time this market to get here before we expect any further action. You get it right? Before we take any further action. So having this in mind, we're going to move to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this level here It's a key level that we need to pay attention to. This particular level here is a very important level that we need to pay attention to. I don't like that too much, so let me do justice. Yes, so this level here is a key level that we need to pay attention to. So if we should take our fib retracement from this level here down to this level here, right, what do you see? I want to teach you guys something, but wait, before I do that, I want to let me give you the point of view, the key major thing. So after the market broke below this level, especially in retest, just as we discussed on the weekly time frame, because of this it was a key level, so the breakout is supposed to expect a retest before we say continuation was to the downside. But the market, as you can currently see, took out this trend line. One, not only that, but also came above this level, right? So with this a daily time frame, one thing is certain, we have 18 good hours. So if this candle should definitely close above this level, brother, the next thing we are expecting is a retest on this level and buy this market to the upside. So this same level here, this same level is where we are going to take our entry position to the upside. So let me show you guys something why that level is very important. If we should take our fib from this level here, right? I don't know what's going on though. If we take our fib from here to this level here, you can clearly see that the market, broke above the 0.50 and 0.35% fib retracement. And those of you who love backtesting, who love learning a lot, studying a lot, you will see that when you have backtest for a long period of time, and you should have come across this, that whenever the market break above the fib, like disrespected the fib, there's one thing that do happen: the market do come to that to retest on that fib that he disrespected, right? That invalidate. Yeah, the market do come to retest on it and go in that direction that is heading to. So, and you can clearly see with that example of mine, or with that illustration of mine, you can clearly see that also the 0.50 fib retracement and the 0.38 fib retracement is lying exactly on the same level. I told you that the market is coming to retest on before we start buying the market to the upside. And that is, I've given you two reasons now why the market should come there. Another reason again is, this is like, okay, using the structure, the structure concept, the higher high, higher low, lower high, and whatever. So you can see the market created a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's currently a lower high. So we're going to be expecting a lower low, but the market will not be able to give us a lower low because it's already above this level. So what we're going to be expecting is the market is going to give us a market is going to give us a higher low before we start seeing a higher high to the upside. So guys, that is all I have for you guys. We are expecting a buy from the Usdcad, and we're expecting that buy from here. Coming guys, this is a 4-hour time frame, but I just want to give you the I love explaining this from the daily time frame, because the 4-hour time frame is already tell you, oh, I'm ready, is a lie, it's not ready yet. There's no confirmation from the 4 hours level. So what I'm expecting from this level here, gonna be expecting a buy to the upside. Yes, and this level is also this level that they also created, they giving us a good example that the market is going to come into retest here back before it start going up. So guys, that's all I have for you guys on this analysis today. Guys, don't be afraid, be patient. You are patient doesn't mean that you are a failure, you are afraid. So be patient and wait for your entry criteria to be fulfilled before you take the entry. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay safe. Peace out.